Hello everyone and welcome to Suga's Kitchen. So today we'll see a very simple recipe but very healthy recipe. It's the aloo poha or the beaten rice. It looks like this, white flakes. It's called beaten rice in English and poha, and in Karnataka they call it avalaki, and in Tamil we say aval. So this is a very healthy meal. And this poha, the beaten rice, has high carbohydrate, fiber and rich in iron. So unlike rice which is milled and polished, this beaten rice retains many of the good ingredients that normally rice should have. So this is preferred to rice for many things like breakfast and all that. Instead of taking rice, you can take poha with some vegetables. So we'll just see the simple recipe today. What you have to do is, this poha has to be washed several times and the water drained out completely. So don't soak the poha in water, just wash it about 4-5 times in clean running water and drain it out. I just washed it about 5 times and let it drain. Now here I have put some clarified butter and I'm just going to add some mustard seeds. And what goes into the poha to make it the aval, to make it more healthy, is onions, capsicum, potato, grated carrot, few green chilies, some curry leaves, and last coriander leaves to give the final flavor. So the mustard is crackling. Cut the onions, the capsicum fine so that they blend well with the beaten rice. This can be had as a breakfast meal because at breakfast you need some carbohydrate to begin the day and you have the whole day to digest the poha. Let's add the onion. This beaten rice taken from brown rice is even more tasty and more healthy than from the white rice. What's happened to our rice is it's being milled and polished to a large extent, depriving it of its unique properties. But in beaten rice, it retains most of the properties, and since it's rich in fiber and B complex, it's a very healthy meal. Now let's add some salt, some turmeric powder, one other advantage is you need very little oil for this. Almost there's no oil, and I'm only using clarified butter or ghee. So it aids in weight loss in the sense there is no fat added to it or extra oil or deep frying or anything. It's almost a steamed meal. So the onion has turned color. Let's add the capsicum, the grated carrot and the potato. I washed the potato and the carrots and all that. All the vegetables should be washed well before cutting. Now few green chilies and some curry leaves. Now let's just put some water for the vegetables to cook. Not too much, just a little bit. So let the vegetables cook and then we'll add the beaten rice. Now the beaten rice should not be soaked in water. You just have to rinse it several times and then drain out the water and keep it in the strainer like this. So let the water strain. By the time the vegetables will cook, the whole thing will probably take just 15 minutes. So it's just taken 5 minutes for the vegetables to cook. I just sprinkled a little water and closed and kept, and the capsicum and onions and potatoes and carrots were grated or cut finely, so they're cooked very fast. So it's almost like steamed vegetable, in which now I'm going to add the poha or the beaten rice or aval. So just add and give a stir. Let the vegetables blend with the poha well. At this stage, don't pour water and cook it, just sprinkle a little water. Very little water, maybe about 3 tablespoons, and then just close and keep for 2 minutes. So we just sprinkled some water and we closed and kept, and let's see what it looks like now. So the beaten rice is fluffy and soft and well done. So you should not pour water and cover it. You should just always only sprinkle water. Also you should not soak the beaten rice, but just rinse it several times. At that process itself it will get soft. So the final thing is, switch off the gas, sprinkle some coriander leaves, and finally add a little bit of clarified butter or ghee. So as you can see, it's a very healthy dish. Soft and fluffy, well done. And some tips are that if you soak it, it will become mushy and it will never blend well. And since it's beaten rice, it takes very little time to cook. So it becomes fluffy only when there's not too much water. After this, I'm going to have fruit salad with fruits from my garden, the rose apple, the banana and the mango. So a healthy meal, a healthy dessert. Thank you.